Miscanthus will grow bigger than this on better land, but we don't want to be using the best land for bioenergy crops. As human population increases, obviously land resources and water resources are going to become increasingly important, and we really need renewable energy sources that are not using prime food land. The crops that we have currently are food crops, and they've been bred for a long time now to be small with very large grains, because that's the part we eat. And in effect we need to reverse that now, so we need to reverse several millennia of food crop breeding very rapidly to make this plant as big as possible, so that we can have the maximum biomass from the smallest amount of land possible. They both absorb the sun's energy and make it available to us, but they also store it. So although, as you can see, the plants are now dead and they're not actively photosynthesizing anymore, they can still stand in the field over winter until we're ready to harvest it, and then they can be stored as bales and used throughout the year. So it's not like other types of renewable energy where solar, for example, you have to have the sunshine and the wind only when the wind's blowing. This is something that you can store and use at any time in the future.
That plant has occurred naturally from a cross between two other types of Miscanthus. And we have both those types in this glasshouse and in our trials outside. And we want to repeat those crosses basically to try and make even better plants that can be used for different environments. So for farmers in Denmark or farmers in Portugal will obviously require very different things from the crop. So we need to have greater cold tolerance in plants in Denmark and perhaps drought tolerance in plants in Portugal.